Oh boy, this is embarrassing. I uploaded a video on the weekend, and it turned out some of the video at the 20-minute mark went missing. And I had a black screen for about 4 minutes until I had the closing credits. Now, I was thinking, when I created this video, I should give it an alarming title. Maybe, I didn't know. Oh, what's this? The video has been censored. What's this? Oh, for bad editing. Well, I have to agree with that. But, I was just thinking, maybe I should do something a little bit better than saying it was bad editing. Well, I was going to say, this is the lost video. And, well, that's obvious it was lost. And then I thought, well, there must be an excuse. And I thought, well, I'll do a slide that says, my computer was smoking when I was editing a video, then caught fire. And, well, that's just too long. That just wouldn't fit. And then I thought, well, why don't I create a slide that says, Cisco should read the manual. But I don't think that quite worked, because anytime I say manual, it comes out as manuel. And then I get criticized. Okay, then I thought, well, maybe I could change it to, oh, I know, it'd be exciting if I say, don't do this. Okay, and then, oh, maybe I could be more realistic and just say, don't edit a video at 2 in the morning. But, okay, well, let's get on with the, now, there was 4 minutes missing, and I still don't have a clue what happened. I did something wrong. But here goes. Here's what should have been included in that video. And, oh, just a side note. I hope you don't unsubscribe to the channel because of this or stop watching the videos. Okay, on with the show. Now, this is a sample chart I posted on our website on May the 20th. And if we look at the upper right corner, I know this is not probably very clear in this video, but this is Text Resources Limited Class B voting shares that trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange. In the upper left corner, there's an indicator that there was a gap that day, which meant that the stock traded up from the closing price of the previous day. And now, when you do get a gap, sometimes you see that it's going to go back down to fill the gap. And here I put a note that the gap may fill towards $10 and should allow another opportunity to buy or add to a position. Now, I should indicate that I do own this stock. Now, if we look at the triangles here, we see there's a whole bunch of them all through here. And the green triangles are buy flags in the software that I'm using, and it's indicating according to the MACD technical indicator plus the Bollinger Band formula that I use. I combine them together to create a function which gives me a numerical result. Now, this would only give me a possible buy, as the markets can turn on you in reverse. To me, these flags are a tell that there are buyers in the market buying the stock. Now, if you look at the lower right corner, you can see I put in that $10 Canadian would possibly be a new support area. And if we look at the month of March, when the market crashed, that this stock was already trending down from the month of May, which is shown on the left side of this chart. So when I see a downward trading stock of this nature, I tend to stay away from buying, because to me it indicates that there is something troubling the people holding this stock. And I don't place a lot of emphasis on fundamental analysis. You'll notice that in the future videos, because I feel that the income statements or the balance sheets can be manipulated. And certainly a company wants their income statement and balance sheets to look as best as they can. But we know that companies often restate prior years' data or their their balance sheets or their income statements. And of course, when that happens and it's a negative effect, the stocks go down. But anyways, back to this chart. I noticed that there were a number of green triangles or flags at in the month of March when the market crashed. And of course, I put in the support at $10 Canadian. And we can see that it has touched that area. So the triangles did give me an indication that there was a possible future benefit in owning this stock. Now, in my plan, if the stocks didn't hold that $10 support and went down, I probably would sell the stock and take my loss. But I'll get more into these videos in the future. It's hard to go over a chart when it's in the past, and I know what happened in the future. You might want to take a look at text resources on a website. If you find these videos interesting, please click the like button and click the subscribe button for more great interesting videos. To get notifications, ring that bell. And lastly, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment.